Hi, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Neo Nails. In this series of videos, it's going to be all inspired by Banksy, who is a super famous graffiti artist who I really like. He does quite controversial images, but his artwork is just absolutely brilliant. And this image that we're gonna use for the inspiration is the Instagram boy, and we're gonna use gel polish and a little bit of freehand nail art. So we've got a background already of the white on gel polish, but we're going to distress the back of this. We're going to use a little bit of sponge. So I'm going to use the sponge just to stipple. I'm going to go around the edge first. Anything that goes on the skin will wash off. Don't worry about that because it's only a bit of acrylic paint. I'm going to make a turquoise colour with some green and blue. Put them next to each other and start to mix, and then you can see what colour you're going. And that's the right colour, but I'm going to lighten it. So it's the right tone of turquoise, but I want it lighter. So add the white, and I can use that. First thing I'm going to do is map out the boy's top, roughly. So this is the Instagram boy that's really disappointed that he has no likes or no shares or no friends. His legs are going to come down here. And I've just really watered that black down so I can just outline slightly where his face and head will be. I'm going to use the turquoise colour to do his jumper first, and then we're going to add the detail of the low lights, the shadows. Everything's done because of its a stencil. And do his trousers, which one side are all black, and on the other leg we have some grey tones. Now I'm going to add the shadow detail to his jumper. So all the creases that are in his jumper will be shadowed. So I'm just adding his hands here. Roughly going to add a hand here because he is holding a mobile phone, so I'm going to do that as well. That's the same colour as his top. What kind of phone will it be? Is it an iPhone? Could make it an iPhone by putting a little black dot at the bottom. And now I'm going to make his face completely white, and then add the black detail. The most important bit about this design is the expression on the boy's face. So that's the boy done. You see his face, he's going like that. And now, with the orange, comments and likes and followers. So we're going to do the speech bubble, and then the heart for the likes, and then the person icon. Then we're going to put the zeros in, just making this stand out a little bit more by outlining it. Now I'm going to top coat that, 2 coats of the base and top Urban Graffiti gel top coat, covering all the nail, capping it so you don't get any peeling, and covering all the design so you don't lose any of it. So I'm going to wipe over to remove the sticky layer, and it'll also clean up the finger using the gel residue wipe off solution. Just going to finish that nail off with a little bit of cuticle oil, some coconut cuticle oil here. So waz that around. Give that a rub it all in, all round the finger. That's your Banksy Instagram boy.